Hello everyone, let's have a quick sneak peek on how the organic reach works in Twitter. So here I have a post of C learning to, that will be tweeted out in a second, and let's tweet it out. And you can see I have used the proper hashtags for it, and let's tweet it out. So after tweeting, we have to wait a few seconds. That's 3 seconds into it, and let's see the analytics. Here you can see no one has engaged with the tweet yet. Please come back later. So we will be waiting for 10 to 15 seconds or 20 seconds for that, and we will refresh it, and we will see how the organic reach works and how you can get engagement on that. So let's wait. Now let's refresh the analytics, and we can see we have got 4 impressions in less than 60 seconds. If we wait, see the impressions is moving up. It's 5 impressions, and if we wait long enough, see we got a total engagement of 1. So somebody from that impressions have engaged with the post, and we got 1 like. So this is how the Twitter works, and you can get organic reach without spending any money into it by using the proper hashtag according to your niche. Like, see, this is a educational niche, so I have used the proper hashtags for it. So we got 6 impressions and 1 like from it. So the see we got 1 retweets also. So retweets, what retweets does, it will boost your reach organically. So we got from 10 impressions, we got 1 retweet and 1 like, and if we wait more and more, it will go up and up. This is the organic way to grow your Twitter account. So for more videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel, because I bring such organic how to organically grow your channel, social media accounts, videos like that. Thank you very much.